how-tos.
Today we're gonna go over how to use the resistance band. It's not just used for working out, it also can be used for recovery as well. So let's go over recovery, all right? Laying straight back. If I wanted to stretch out my hamstring area, my posterior chain area, I'll come here, attach the band to my leg, and I'll pull back as far as I can. Keeping my leg as straight as possible. And you want to keep your foot, if you can, your opposite leg, flat on the ground. But pull that band back as far as you can. Good stretch there. Maybe 20 to 30 seconds. 3 rounds, you'll be good to go. One more recovery exercise there. You can actually bring your leg in. And you're feeling in your hips and you're also feeling your piriformis area, okay? So pull it as far as you can. My opposite leg is straight, holding it there. 20 to 30 seconds. Make sure you relax, relax, relax. Let's do good mornings. Feet shoulder width apart. Good mornings, great way to strengthen that core. Again, the core, not just your abs, glutes, obliques, everything. If you have lower back issues, this is the exercise for you, okay? So what I'll do is I'll bend down, I'll put it behind my neck, and as I lift up, I'll shoot my hips, and I'll squeeze my glutes, coming right back over, keeping my head up the entire time. Come up, squeeze glutes, head up, squeeze glutes. Awesome. And let's do one more for working out, just so you'll be able to see it. Let's say you wanted to work the upper back area, still feet shoulder width apart. I'm doing an upright row. You're definitely feeling your shoulders. Keeping the band close to you, straight up, hold, 3 to 5 seconds, slow on the way down. Everything does not have to be fast paced, especially with this band. Bring it up, hold, 3 to 5 seconds, elbows high, she breathe, and